Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we will delve into the key parameters in the SMT process, analyze their impact on production, and optimize methods. First, let's understand the impact of placement speed on production. This is the placement machine at work. Increasing the placement speed can speed up production. Next, let's take a closer look at the importance of temperature control to welding quality. The circuit board goes into the wave soldering machine, and the soldering temperature is adjusted to ensure that the solder reaches the proper molten state. The running status of the machine can be seen through the computer screen. The board passes smoothly through the wave soldering machine and is removed. Next to the board is a small jig that prevents the connector from floating. By properly setting these parameters, the SMT production process can be optimized and output increase efficiency and product quality. Thanks for watching. See you next time.